How to unsend invite message on Instagram. So if you want to unsend an invite message on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you've opened, you can simply go for the messages, which is on the upper right. And here you can simply go for any person. So for example, I'll be choosing a random person to text. Go for message and then simply type in any message, and now they have been invited, right? So if you want to unsend this invite message, then what you can do is simply go for the message and tap on hold on to that message for 2 to 3 seconds, and then tap on unsend, and again tap on unsend. And once you tap on unsend, you can go back and you can go for your messages, and here you can reload your page, and that's it. That person has been removed. So that's how you unsend invite message on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.